Hello, my name is Jason. I'm with Alloy Wheel Repair Specialists in St. Paul, Minnesota. This coronavirus scare shutdown has affected our business quite a bit. We've had to lay off several people in the last week, and if things continue the way they are, we'll probably have to lay off several more in the upcoming week. Being a small business, it's a difficult thing for us to do to lay people off. You know, we always have our employees' best interests in mind. So having to come down to this is a very difficult decision that we don't like to make. You know, for that reason, you know, we feel that it's important that you know, the shutdown ends as quickly as possible and that we can get back to our normal operations. If this continued the way that it did, you know, how long can we last with limited revenue or no revenue? Realistically, we probably could only last a month or two. So we'd like to get things back to normal as quick as possible. Thank you.